Tucked in the cloud forests of the Andes lies a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. Welcome to Papallacta Hot Springs. Here at the Papallacta Hot Springs, you can forget about that jet lag as you soak yourself in thermal waters sourced from deep within the earth, in one of the most scenic settings you can imagine. These natural thermal baths have been a source of relaxation for centuries, and today they continue to offer the perfect mix of comfort, beauty, and tranquility. If you're planning on staying a little longer, they also have accommodation right next to the springs. There's also a restaurant, spa and massage services, so you can really treat yourself to some well-deserved rest, and a bar to put your feet up and enjoy a drink with family and friends. Whether you're soaking in a private thermal pool, enjoying a spa treatment, or simply gazing at the majestic mountains that surround you, Papallacta offers an unparalleled experience.